Hey guys, I am going to try to finish this worksheet with you guys. Um, Let me go ahead and continue. I believe these are the ones I haven't done. If you have these already, you can just ignore this and forward the video to the next one. I'm going to keep doing these. Okay. So if you look, again, the first thing what we want to do is we want to figure out if these three measures could be the measures of the sides of a triangle. And to do that, what we need to do is put these in order. They're already in order. That's a good thing. And then take and add the two smaller ones and then ask ourselves, is it bigger than the third side? Well, if you take and add 14 and 19, you get 33. And 33 is bigger than 30. So that would be a yes. Okay. And all of this would be your answer. Okay. Just like it was up here. Only these ones up here are a little bit different because I did have to put those in order first. These were already in order, so I didn't rewrite them. You don't have to rewrite them if they're in order already. So let's look at 4. So 4, these are in order, okay, from smallest to largest. So again, take the two smaller ones, add them, and then compare it to the third one. And then ask yourself, does 13 plus 18, is that bigger than 36? No, because 13 plus 18 is 31. So that's a no. And again, there's our answer there. Then I'm just going to keep going down here. Again, put these in order. 9, 12, and 24, they're in order. You don't need to really worry about the measurements. What matters here are the numbers. Add the two smaller ones, compare it to the third one, and then ask yourself, is 9 plus 12 bigger than 21? 24, I mean. The answer is no, because 9 plus 12 is 21, right? No. Actually, that is the answer. Okay. 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 is not bigger than 24. So let's go to the next one. Again, put these in order. 26, 33, 34. And then add the two smaller ones. And then ask yourself, is it bigger than the third one? And that would be a yes. That's easy to figure out because here you have 33 and you're going to compare it with 34. You're adding 26 to that. 26 plus 33. 26 plus 33 is 59. And 59 is bigger than 34. Okay. So those are the rest of those on that page. There's number 7. I did 7 in class. And I did some of these. I didn't do this one. Okay, so let me go ahead and let me move this over and do this third one over here. So on this one, we're finding the smallest angle and the largest angle. To find the smallest angle, what we have to do is figure out where is the shortest side length. That one is the shortest side length, okay? And that side length goes from H all the way over to G. That's the short side length. And the angle across from that is that angle down there. Angle F, okay? That's the smallest angle. How do I know it's the smallest angle? Because it's across the shortest side length. And then the next one, to find the largest angle, you should look for the largest side length. And again, that side length right there, it's not just 43. I mean, it goes all the way from H to F, okay? The angle that's across from that is G, angle G. Now I did mention like you can't say H or F because those are attached to the side. See this one here That's the largest side, okay? And that has these angles kind of connected to it. The one that's across from it is G. That one's the one that's across from it. Okay, so let me move on. So this one is pretty much put them in order from smallest to biggest, okay? So let's do that. I'm going to find the smallest one first. To find the smallest angle, I need to look for the shortest side length. There's the shortest side length, which is from U to T, and the angle across from that is angle V. So that's the smallest angle. And then to figure out the biggest angle, again, I need to find the biggest side length, and that goes from V to T. The angle across from that is angle U. That's the biggest one. So I found the smallest one. I found the biggest one. The one in the middle is the one I haven't touched yet, which would be T. There you go. It's in order from smallest angle to largest angle. Let's find 2. Actually, you know what? These two, these are pretty much the same. It's just going in order from largest to smallest. Let me go to this third page. I don't want to make this video too long because then YouTube doesn't let me post it. So let's find the longest side to the shortest side. The ones on top is just the exact opposite, shortest to longest, but it's the same idea. So if I want to find the longest side, I need to look for the biggest angle. There's the biggest angle. Okay, and that angle is touching two sides. It's touching this side and this side. The only other side that's left is the side that it's across from. And that side is the longest side. That side has 2 letters on it. Y, Z. That's the longest side. Okay. Let me erase that. Next, I want to find the shortest side length. To find the shortest side length, I need to find the shortest angle. And that angle is touching 2 sides. The side that it's not touching is the side that's opposite the angle, and that's the shortest side. That side. That side has 2 letters on it, X and Z. Okay, so far I used 2 sides, X and Z, and then the one I just erased a second ago, YZ. The only other side I have not used is this side. That side has 2 letters on it, Y and X. Put those in order. X, Y, Z, that's not the order. I'm bad with my alphabet. That's alphabetical order. Okay. And that is in order from longest side to shortest side. So let's move on to the next one. Again, the next one, to find the longest side, look for the biggest angle. That's the biggest angle. The side that's across from it is going to be the longest side. That longest side, it goes from E to F, or you can say F to E. Again, I just mentioned they tend to put these in alphabetical order, so that's what I did there. Now let's look at finding the shortest side length. To find the shortest side length, look for the smallest angle, and then go across from that. That's going to be the shortest side. That has 2 letters on it, D, E. Again, I've used 2 sides. I used that side, and I've used this side. The only other side that I have not used is this side. And that has 2 letters on it, DF. FD, DF, same idea. But again, you'll see these answers like in alphabetical order. That's why I always try to write them in alphabetical order, if possible. So let's go to the last one. The last one, longest side, look for the biggest angle, go across. That is the longest side. Shortest side, look for the smallest angle, and then go across. That is the shortest side. So I used AC, I used BC. Again, the third side, the side that's left over is that side, AB. And hopefully, besides those other two that I didn't do, hopefully that's enough to get you through this. Because again, YouTube don't like it when I make these real long videos, so I need to cut this short.